How to set up and use Housecall Pro. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Housecall Pro. Before diving in, what is Housecall Pro? It is a cloud-based platform that helps businesses in the home services industry manage appointments, track work orders, handle payments, and communicate with clients. It's especially helpful for companies like companies in the plumbing industry, electrical industry, HVAC, or handyman, which handles jobs on the go and need a reliable system to keep everything organized. Now let's dive in. You can actually get started for completely free with Housecall Pro. All you need to do is enter your email address and then tap on Start Free Trial. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. From here, you can fill in some basic information about your company. For instance, what's the size of your company, whether you're owner, operator, 2 to 5 employees, any amount of employees you have, you can select it right there. Then you can select the primary industry that you're in. For this example, I'll select landscaping and lawn. Then you're going to tap on next. And from here, you can fill in your company name. If you have a website, you can fill in your website URL. Then you'll tap on Start Free Trial. After you have tapped on Start Free Trial, you'll be redirected to your Housecall Pro dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I'll be showing you how to customize it, and also I'll be showing you some other useful features when it comes onto this platform. So you're going to tap on Skip. After you have tapped on Skip before creating an estimate or anything like that, what I would recommend you do is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Settings. After you have tapped on Settings, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you'll be able to customize the information about your company. For instance, you can add in company description. You can also add in a logo, and this will allow your quotations or your invoices to look a lot more professional. So you're going to tap on Edit and you're going to add in your logo and you want to fill in this information. You can also go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on Business Hours. From here, you'll be able to edit the operating hours. So you can tap on Edit and you can set up the hours that your business is running. As you can see right there, the opening and closing hours. Then you will tap on Save. You can scroll down and you can edit all of this information. After you have done that, you can go over to the left-hand menu option once more and select Employees and Permission. And this is where you'll be able to add your employees. So you can tap on Add Employee and you can fill in their information. After you have done that, what I want you to do next is go over to the top left-hand corner and tap on Home. After tapping on Home, you will be redirected to your main dashboard. And this will be your dashboard where you'll be able to view all of your reports, see job statuses, and so on. But talking about job status, to create a job or an invoice or a quotation, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see New in the top right hand corner of the navigation bar. Then from there, you could tap on Job and you can enter in New Client. So you'll tap on New Customer and you can fill in the customer name and information. You can choose whether it is a homeowner or business. Once you have done that, you'll scroll down. You can see the information right there. And you can also fill in who they were referred by. And you'll tap on Create Customer. After you have created the customer, you can choose whether you'd like to use their job template or you can tap on Create a Job Template. After you have tapped on Create a Job Template, from here you can fill in the services that you normally offer. So for instance, I'm currently in landscaping. So let's say, for example, lawn care or cutting the lawn or so on. Those are basic services that I'll normally offer. I can fill it in right here. So it all depends on the category you're in. You can fill in it in right here. And this will help you to cut down on time by creating a template which you can easily use. So you can create different templates right there. After you have done that, you will tap on Create Job. Once you have created the job, so just give it a few seconds, you can see right there that you have now created your job. Once you have created a job, you can assign it to a team member. And once you have assigned it to the team member, the thing that I like about Housecall Pro is you will be able to monitor the time to see how long it takes them to complete a task. So they can tap when they're starting. So you can select right there. Then they'll tap when they are finished. After they have tapped when they are finished, you can tap on invoice, and from there you would be able to create an invoice based on how many hours they have taken. After you have created the invoice, from there you can add attachments and so on, as you can see right here. And this will fill out the service that you have offered, the billable hours and everything like that. And it is quite presentable. So you can see it right there. After you have filled out that, you can tap on pay. And then from there you can fill in the amount that you will receive, and you can tap on send receipt. So this platform is an all-in-one platform for anyone that does service business, and it is quite easy to use even if you're a complete beginner. Another thing, by tapping on new once more, you can select estimate, and this is where you'll be able to create an estimate or a quotation. You can select skip tutorial. Then after doing that, you can add the service that you offer. So you could add the service and the price. After adding the service and the price, you can fill in the customer name. So you could type in the customer name right there, or you could tap on new customer. After doing that, you can also fill in the scheduled time from when to when, and the price and everything like that. After you're finished doing that, you can tap on save estimate, and you'll be able to share the estimate. So that's how you'll be able to create an estimate or quotation. Another thing that you can also do by tapping on new, from there you can also create different events. So you could tap on event, and you can create different events right here, and you can fit it into your schedule. So that's basically a quick overview, and you can tap on inbox, and from here you will be able to see different responses that you have gotten from customers or employees. So you can access that right there. You'll be able to monitor the different schedule of your employees and the different tasks by tapping on schedule from the top left hand corner of the navigation bar. You can see the task that is scheduled for a particular day. For an employee, you can tap on employee right there. Then you can select the employee. You can also change the view to map if you want. And you can view all your customers by tapping on customers. You can also tap on jobs from the left hand menu option, and you can see the jobs that are currently active. You can see the outstanding invoices by tapping on invoices, and you can also see the estimates that you have sent out. Another thing, by tapping on payroll, depending on the amount of time that persons have spent to do their job, the billing hours and so on, you'll be able to use Housecall Pro for payroll, as you can see right here. So it also offers this feature. Keep in mind that this additional feature comes at an additional cost, which is expected. But this platform overall, I would definitely recommend it if you're in a niche, for example, like landscaping or anything that you tend to be on site. You don't tend to be in a physical office right through. I would definitely recommend it. And if we were to tap on more from here, you'll be able to view your reporting by tapping on reporting, as you can see right there. And if we were to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on the 6 dots. From there, you'll be able to view the timesheet. So you can tap on timesheet, and you'll be able to view workers' timesheet right there, and also your timesheet. And if we were to tap on the 6 dots once more, from there, you can also set up email automations that you can send clients, for example, to collect reviews and so on. So you can set up an email campaign using Housecall Pro. So there are numerous features that you can use it for. You can select reviews right here, and you'll be able to collect reviews, and you'll be able to see the reviews that you have gotten. So we could tap on skip, and you'll be able to preview the reviews. And that's basically it. So in conclusion, that wraps it up. You now know how to set up and use Housecall Pro to manage your service business. Whether you're running a plumbing company or a landscaping company like my example right here, or anything in any other home service industry, Housecall Pro can help you streamline your workflow, keep track of jobs, manage invoicing, and accept payments on site, all from one easy to use platform. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section, and I appreciate you watching.